In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change shipping option in TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to adjust so your customers see the right delivery choices at checkout. Start by opening your TikTok Shop account. Head into your seller dashboard so you're working inside the correct shop. Give the page a moment to load and make sure your internet connection is stable because you'll be uploading images and entering details in a minute. Next, click Product. This takes you to the area where all of your listings live. From here, click Add Product to start a new listing. Even if your main goal is to change the shipping option, the shipping settings are tied to the product listing, so you'll adjust them while you're creating the product. On the product page, fill out the essential details. Add a clear, accurate product name that helps buyers instantly understand what you're selling. Write a concise description that covers the key features, what's included, and any sizing or care information customers commonly ask about. Upload high-quality images with good lighting and a clean background so buyers can see the product clearly. Then choose the most accurate category for your item. Picking the right category helps TikTok Shop apply the correct rules and can unlock the appropriate options you'll need, including shipping settings. Now scroll to the shipping section. This is where you can change and customize the shipping option for the product. Select the shipping method that matches how you plan to fulfill orders and make sure the regions, delivery speeds, and any costs line up with what you can reliably offer. If there are fields for processing time, set a realistic handling window so customers know when their order will ship. If weight or size is requested, enter accurate measurements. This helps calculate fees correctly and prevents unexpected charges. Choose options that reflect your actual packaging and delivery workflow, and keep your choices consistent with your store's policies so buyers have a smooth experience. Once everything looks good, click Submit for review. Your listing will go through TikTok Shop's review process. While you wait, double-check that your product details follow the platform's guidelines and that nothing in your description or images could cause a delay. After approval, your product will go live with the shipping option you selected, and customers will see those choices at checkout. That's it. Open your TikTok Shop account, go to Product, click Add Product, enter the key details, set your shipping in the shipping section, and submit for review. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your listing.